Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, makeup artist 27, as you all know. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad that you're here. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't been subscribed to my channel, and make sure you do click that bell notification right there so you can get notifications when I do upload new videos. And if you're not following my social media, you can follow my social media at makeup artist 27. It's also linked down below if you guys want to click on the link, and I'll put it here for you guys. So yeah, on today's video I'm gonna be doing my little makeup haul, as you all know, because I need to clean up my little mess here. I keep piling up all the different stuff that I've been getting, and I just need a little bit of cleanup and show you guys what I have received and not received, that I have bought for the past few weeks. And this one I pre-ordered and I finally got it a couple weeks ago. This is the Glamlite paint palette, which is beautiful. By then you're probably gonna see a tutorial, so I'm just gonna link it here for you guys so you guys can see the tutorial. But this is the palette. It's super beautiful. Love the colors, love the shimmers, and I'm so excited to play with it more. If you guys want another video with this palette, just let me know. So everything I have bought so far is just palettes. So with that Glamlite order, I ordered a pizza, one of the pizza palettes, because I just wanted to see it. And this is how it looks. It's a pepperoni pizza. And this is the palette. It is so beautiful. Love the shades. They're like red and like shimmer colors too. There's a couple shimmer colors. Super nice. With that I ordered these lashes, which is the one from the paint palette collection that she did. And yeah, I can actually throw away this box. So that's that. Guys, I have no room for my makeup. I need to like buy other stuff to storage the makeup, but I have like no room. Let's go ahead and continue. So as you all know, I am from Puerto Rico, and there's actually a brand that is called Colorina Makeup Studio. I think it's Makeup Studio, something like that. And they have this collection of Puerto Rico, and I had to order it. Like last time I couldn't order it because the one I wanted, it was out of stock, and I didn't like the other ones. I didn't like the colors that the other ones had. So finally they did another part 2 of the Puerto Rico collection, and it's just all the prints in the front. It's actually different parts of the island. This is the La Perla 2, which is La Perla is a little kind of like a little neighborhood really known in the area of San Juan. And yeah, it's where they actually recorded the Despacito video. That is La Perla. So this is the beautiful La Perla. It's a really colorful neighborhood, and it's really nice. If you guys want to see it, you guys can Google it, La Perla. And this is the makeup, the palette. It has 24 colors, and I believe it's $14.99, $15.99, something like that. And this is the color of the palette. I love it. I hope I get to play with it soon. I just been really so behind with like recording little makeup stuff, but I'll get to it. I'll get my ass to it. But it's such a beautiful palette. You have little bit of shimmers, and then there are some mattes, and you have every single color here. You can go from colorful to something neutral, which is what I love. This is like a take with you palette because you have the brown, you have the little red and purples, and brown and pink. So you have everything there. I'm so excited because I wanted to own one of these palettes. I wanted it so bad. Then next I ordered the Dominique Cosmetics palette. I saw this palette the first time and I was like, oh my god, Like, I love the palette and I had to get it. Like, as soon as it came out, I got it. I'm such a makeup freak. I don't know what I have all this makeup just for me. Like, I don't even do makeup on other people anymore. Barely, you know. But when I saw this palette, I was like, it's so pretty. Look at those colors. I love this one. I love this one. I love it all. So this is the Dominique Cosmetics palette, and I love this palette. It's so cute. I love the colors. Love the colors. I believe it was 35. I don't remember, guys. But I did the Afterpay thing, so it's a really nice palette. I can't wait to play with that one either. There's a bunch of ones that I had to play with because they just keep piling. Like, I keep just buying. Like, I need to stop. Take a break, Ashley. Take a break. Like, take my card away from me. And of course, there's one palette that I was like, should I get it? Should I not? I was so like, I didn't know what to do. Norvina keeps coming out with palettes. Like, where the hell she had all this stuff come out out of nowhere? She just came out with 3 palettes in less than 3 months, and in less than a month, I think. Not even. I think it's been like in less than 2 months. In less than 2 months, she came out with 3 palettes. Norvina Volume 1, Norvina Volume 2, Norvina Volume 3. And of course, your girl got Norvina Volume 2. Maybe I'll get Norvina Volume 3. I'm not sure. I'm holding it. Like, I'm waiting. So if she comes out with another one, I'm done. I'm gonna be like, bitch, take my money. Take my money. I just love this. Love this. Love this. Open it. I love the packaging. I love the blue. Oh, I'm so excited. It's kind of like, makeup is like my baby. It is such a beautiful palette. Like, I was between the Norvina 3 and this one, but this one just got my heart more than the other one. The other one, what I love is the design, the butterflies and stuff, but this one has my heart too, so hopefully I get to play with it too. You guys know the deal. Like, I have to record it for you guys. Like, I most of the time, all the palettes that I buy, I try to record for you guys because it's insane. But there's so many palettes coming out. Why? Alrighty, and then there's another palette, guys. I can't believe it. Naked Urban Decay, the Honey palette. I have pretty much all of the Naked palettes except 2. I don't have 2 of them. That's because I gave up. I don't have Naked Heat and I don't have Naked Cherry, but I have the mini ones. Can you believe that? I have the mini ones, guys. I'm lying. I only have the Naked Heat on the mini one. I thought I had the cherry one. I don't. I only have the cherry one. I don't have the cherry one. I have the cherry spray. That's what I have. But I have more. I have the Naked first one, the one that they rest in peace. I have the smoky one. I have Naked 2, Naked 3. Now this one, because I love it. I saw it and I was like, yeah, that's me. First of all, look at that packaging. Look at that packaging. It's so nice. I love it. I love it. It's so honey. I'm so excited to try this palette. look at that gold. I'm loving that gold there, the honey. This color right there, that's called the honey. It's just such a beautiful palette, and I totally loved it. Hopefully I can do some fall makeup with this one, so keep an eye on that. But that is the palette, and I think that's it. I haven't bought any more makeup, just makeup palettes. There you go. I think I showed you guys the Fenty Beauty. Yeah, I have the Fenty Beauty hydrating, which I already, by then you probably seen the video that I used it. I think that's it. There's no other. Everything is makeup, guys. Everything, all these purchases, it's been makeup. And I did a little clothing haul, and I don't know when that will be up, but if I do put it before this video, I'll link it. If not, then just wait for it, because it's coming too. I have a lot of videos that are like pending to edit, so it's just me, guys. It's just me. So other people have their editors and stuff. I don't have that yet, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini haul of makeup palettes, because that's all it is. And tell me, leave me a comment down below which is the makeup palette you like the most, which one is the one that you're excited to see a video on, and I'll keep an eye on it, and then I'll see if I can record a video as soon as possible, guys. So leave those comments down below. Tell me which one is your favorite one. Tell me which one you got. Tell me which one you're thinking on getting. And yes, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you in my next video. Kisses.